Hello, it's another episode of Vlogmas 2025, and today we're making Christmas chinchin. Come along with me. 3, 2, 1. I'm trying to simplify my recipes as much as possible. So, this is 1 pint of flour. I just bought it like this from the market. Averagely, a pint of flour should weigh at least 3 kg. However, there are still bound to be some shortages, maybe due to the seller or the kind of paint they use. So I'm going to weigh mine now and see what it weighs. Mine is weighing 2,920 grams. So it has a shortage of about 80 grams of flour. When you go to buy your flour, make sure you tell them to top it or heap it very well. So I'm going to make up for the 80 grams remaining. Sifting my flour to remove maybe particles, lumps, pebbles, or even wavels. For this recipe, I need 600 grams of sugar. Let's measure out my sugar. For this recipe, I need 600 grams of sugar. Next, I'll be breaking up my eggs. Trying to check if it's still good. Don't want to break in bad egg to spoil your whole thing, to spoil the whole recipe. Here is my milk flavor. I like these sachet ones because they're more flavorful. This milk flavor I bought, it comes in a big jar. Like this, they sell it like this, 1.5. I'll be needing 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. You can also decide to add other flavors like vanilla and so, but let me just add half a teaspoon of vanilla. Let's begin. Guys, you know why this thing is looking like this? It's not looking as if it's going to rise. The flavor I added is oil based, hence it shrinks the egg. Once oil gets in contact with egg, it's not going to rise in temperature, it's not going to become foamy. So that's the problem here. So I shouldn't have added the oil based flavor. That's this one. You know, oil based flavors have a higher retention than water based, and that's why it's very strong. Let me mix other ingredients. Please, my hands are. So you combine these. It's best to combine with hands. I'll still do that. But before then, let me use my hand mixer. So next is salt. I'm using half teaspoon of salt. No, I'm sorry. Salt is half tablespoon. I said teaspoon, right? I will mix this together. This is margarine. This margarine is 800 grams. Let's start it. We're going to start mixing this together. Let's go and fry our chin chin. It's hot enough. Some persons may decide to add onions, ginger, for more flavor. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm trying not to dump it in so it doesn't splash out. Yeah. Ooh. I don't want it to splash, hence the reason is like I'm dumping it to one side, but I'm going to spread it. Please remember not to overcrowd your chin chin so that it can fry very well. Here is the final product.